And welcome back to the show. ArchCare provides quality care to thousands of people of all faiths through its home and community-based and residential care programs. Now, the organization was recently certified by Great Place to Work due to its excellent work culture. Joining us now to share a little bit more of the details is the Senior Vice President and Chief Experience Officer at ArchCare, Hugo Pizarro. And Hugo, thank you for being with us. And it's got to be a great time for you having this certification. So for somebody who may not be so familiar, what exactly is the Great Place to Work certification?
Absolutely. Daren, first, thank you for making some time for me today. So the Great Place to Work certification, they are the global authority on workplace culture, employee experience, employee engagement. We set out on a journey back in 2019 and set a goal to be certified by 2023. So we got a little bit ahead of our goal, but it's all a good thing.
Well, congratulations. And I mean, as you look at this certification, it's pretty major for your organization. Talk to us about what were they looking for, what it took for you to get this.
So just to take you back a little bit to our journey starting in 2019, we decided back then that we were going to stop measuring employee satisfaction and really look at measuring employee engagement. And Great Place to Work, that's a hallmark of what they do and what they measure for. And the way they measure for engagement is really looking at what they call their trust index. Trust in the organization, trust in the leadership, trust in the work that we do, and trust in our mission. So that's really what we were looking to achieve in terms of building that, continuing to build that trust and confidence of our employees.
And so as you look at this certification, a lot of people are saying, wow, you know, you had a benchmark for 2023, you got it done in 2022, and now you've got the opportunity to go forward. What does this mean for you as you move forward with this certification?
Well, as you know, it's, or you may not know, but it's an annual certification. So we need to recertify every year. And our goal is to continue and maintain that certification. But just to tell you a little bit about, again, about the journey, when we started the journey in 19, you know, we set the goal. We had our first survey and we fell short of being certified. And then 2020, the pandemic hit. We did a lot of things during that time. And our motto during that period was really taking care of the employees because they are the ones who take care of our patients and our residents. So we did a lot of things and put a lot of programs in place to try to address the needs. And we really wanted to meet people where they were. We have about 350 of our employees out of our population of 4,000 that work in the Bronx. But we're always open and looking to what can we offer, what can we do to meet people where they are. So what we did in 2020 was we took the survey, and instead of the traditional survey, we really measured what people needed and what people wanted. And the results were pretty remarkable and surprising at that time, but people asked for assistance with mental health. They wanted more emotional support. And if you remember what we were going through back in 2020, mental health and emotional support was a really, really big deal in terms of giving people that, that service. So we did a number of things. We have a chaplaincy program. We are a faith-based organization. So we have a chaplaincy program that we provide Catholic priests to a number of healthcare providers, hospitals and nursing homes in New York State. So we were able to mobilize that team, and we provided one-on-one, I won't call it counseling, but conversations that people were able to have with those chaplains. We have on staff a bereavement counselor that we also made available just to kind of give people, again, another opportunity to be able to talk about what they were going through. And then we kicked off what we call Meditation Mondays. And I have to tell you, I'm a big believer in meditation these days. And that Meditation Monday is a very, very popular day for us in terms of people participating virtually, of course, in that meditation. So again, we've done a number of things during the pandemic to try to address some of the needs of meeting people where they were. And a lot of those initiatives, I think, led to the certification that we were able to obtain.
So somebody doesn't know all about ArchCare. Tell me a little bit more about the services and the programs that you have to offer.
Absolutely. So ArchCare, we are a post-acute healthcare organization. We offer residential services. So we operate 6 nursing homes in New York, 2 of them in the Bronx, St. Vincent de Paul and Providence Rest. We have what we call home and community-based services, where we offer home care, both nurses as well as aides. We have a managed long-term care plan that provides coverage for individuals with chronic conditions. We have a Medicare Advantage plan, and we have a PACE program, ArchCare Senior Life. ArchCare Senior Life, and the easiest way to describe it, it's a nursing home without walls. So all the services that you would get in a nursing home, you would get through the PACE program. All of your primary care, your social work, your recreation, there's a day center component, transportation's available and provided. But at the end of the day, the individuals go home back into the community. And that's something that we started several years ago, and obviously is important to the people that we serve.
And what about health plans?
Health plans, as I said, the managed long-term care plan, caring for people with chronic conditions, the Medicare Advantage plan, which sits on top of the nursing home benefit and is a nurse practitioner model that provides additional clinical services. And again, our PACE program.
Yeah. And so for somebody who wants more information, how do they go about accessing and finding out the great things at ArchCare?
Well, we have a very robust website that you can visit and see and read a lot of the information. Testimonials are on there, videos. There is an info@archcare.org that individuals could email if they want more information. And we also have a care navigation number that people can call, which is listed on the website, and ask for assistance either about nursing home care, senior services, etc.
Well, Hugo, it's been great having you, and thank you so much for being with us and sharing a little bit about ArchCare. Congratulations on the certification. As you said, you got it done a year early, and yeah, it's something that you have to do year after year, huh?
That's right, and that's the differentiator, Darren. We offer sign-on bonuses up to $20,000 for certain positions for individuals that come work at ArchCare. So visit the website and visit our career section.
All righty. Well, we got to leave it there. Hugo Pizarro, our guest, and thank you so much for being with us. And as I told you before, he is the Senior Vice President and Chief Experience Officer at ArchCare. And if you want more information, yes, please go visit the website, archcare.org. Also follow them on Facebook at ArchCare Official.